right, so a lot of people have been asking us how they can use Waze as their default navigation. Obviously, this is what the navigation looks like now, but people can't figure out how to go on and get out of this navigation and get onto Waze. The trick is that you have to be actually plugged into your USB. So take your phone, plug it into your USB. What will happen is you'll see CarPlay pop up. CarPlay will show on your phone like that. Put your phone down now. Actually, on the 2019 Expedition, you can put it right here and it will actually charge. Put everything away. Nice wireless charger is now active, so nothing to worry about. Your phone's not going to be using any of its battery. The trick is slide over one and you'll see your Spotify or your Pandora and your Waze. Click Waze and there you are. Now you're using Waze just like you were on your phone. You can do search features. It'll give you turn by turn. It will tell you traffic. Everything as if you're using on your phone, right on your display. Hope that helps everyone. Thanks.